Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well and you are doing your study also very well. So today again we are here with another topic of your ongoing chapter, that is what? Inheritance, right? So in that our new topic is what? Mutation. Now we had discussed about lot of things. We had discussed about the genes, we have discussed about the sex determination. One portion that is we have not discussed yet, that is the linkage and crossing over, linkage and recombination. That is we will discuss in coming videos. So in this video what we are going to do, we are going to know about the mutation. So what is mutation? Mutation is what? All sudden stable and inheritable changes in DNA sequence. In DNA sequence. So that we call as a mutation. Simple meaning is what? Whenever in a single step, when you see, okay, for example, if you see my eyes color, for example, we take the eye color, right? The eye color is, my eye color is brown, right? Maybe in my progeny, in a coming generation, my kids are having all of a sudden a color of eye is a blue or green. So what is that? In a single step, there is a sudden change. So how this happened? Actually, when there is a gamete formation, and that gamete is going to fuse, that time zygote formation, and by the zygote next generation will come out. So in where it was changes take place where? In my gene actually, right? So that all of sudden there is a change and stable change. Due to that stable change, that characters coming to my offspring, right? So that all of sudden stable, and what is the, when the changes are taking place in my genome, that genome is coming to my next generation. So that is a inheritable. So sudden stable inheritable changes where? In the my DNA, my chromosomes, or you can say my genes. So that we call as a mutation, right? And the organism in that in where the mutation take place, that are known as mutants. And there are the number of factors. What are mutants? The organism with those who are going with that mutation are known as a mutants. And the factors, any physiological factor, any chemical factor, any environmental factor, due to that the mutation take place in the genome, so that we call as a mutagenes. It may be X-rays, it may be any chemical, physical and environmental change that take place in the genome or in the DNA sequence of any organism, and due to that in the coming generation or in that organism also there is a sudden change take place, and that we call as a mutation. So there was a one person, name of that person was a Hugo de Vries. First time, this was a person who first time proposed this term, and where he has seen that, he has seen this in the one of the plant. That name of that plant is the Oenothera lamarckiana. So name of that plant was the Oenothera lamarckiana. In that he has seen this changes, right? And when we talk about the mutation, so it is not that mutation may be harmful, maybe as well as beneficial also. Sometimes mutation is for the benefit also, right? In a single step it may be lethal also, right? And mutation may take place in a large scale or maybe in a small step also, or in a small population also. It's a single step changes. So there are the few things about the mutation, right? If we talk about the type of mutation, mutation is actually where the changes take place. Changes take place basically in the genome, right? Children, before to go in that, you must remember that whenever we are talking about the genome, actually what we are talking about, we are talking about the chromosomes. This is a chromosome structure, and in this structure there is what? There is a DNA, right? DNA is a double helical structure. That is where? That is in the chromosomes. because chromosome is made up of what? DNA plus protein. And in the DNA, if we talk about the DNA is what? DNA is having a base pairs that you have studied in 11th also, and these base pair form what? Form the genes. Right, so this is all about a gene. Where does the gene present? Gene present inside the chromosome, or basically it is the part of what? It is a part of a DNA. So whenever the changes take place in this part, so all of a sudden when it takes place, so that time we call it as a mutation. Right, so when the changes take place, whether it is take place in a single gene or in a frame of gene, actually when we talk about the DNA, so if you see the, if I am going to enlarge this DNA, right, I am going to just draw in a small straight line. So what I am saying DNA is a double helical structure, right, and in that there is a presence of a base pair, right. You know there are the 4 type of base pair: A, T, G, C, and our complementary is what? A, right, like this way, right, because they are complementary to each other, like this way, right. So what happens that time? There is what? There is a pairing, right. Whatever is changes take place, maybe it take place in this base pair, or maybe it's a sequence of base pair, or maybe a whole segment of DNA, right. When the changes take place according to in a point or in a frame or in a whole segment of DNA or part of a DNA, so on the basis of that, mutation is different type. So mutation is, types of mutation is actually 2. Mutation is actually 2. One is known as point mutation, and second one is known as the chromosomal mutation. And again, point mutation is what? When we talk about the point mutation, again there is a point mutation means there is a 2 type of point mutation. That is what? Or you can do like this way also. There is a 2 type of what? That is a gene mutation or a chromosomal mutation. And gene mutation again categorized into it, make more simple to you, point mutation and the frame shift mutation. So there are the 2 type of mutation, point and frame shift mutation. In case of gene mutation means when the changes take place in a gene, right. Now when we talk about the chromosomal mutation, in chromosomal mutation there is again 2 type of chromosomal mutation: change in the structure of chromosomes, or you can say alteration in the structure of chromosomes, and in number of chromosomes. When changes take place in chromosomal number, when changes take place in chromosomal structure. So on the basis of that, again mutation is different type, right. Now what is the meaning of point mutation, frame shift mutation? So again, what is the meaning of this? If we talk about the point, now again I am going to draw this DNA double stranded. Now in that, what is there? There is a base pair. I am giving a simple name of these base pair like A, B, C, D, or you can frame a sentence also. For example, R, A, M, H, A, S, A, then C, A, P. So it is like what? Actually I am showing what I am trying to show you. These are what? These are the base pairs, right. And base pairs make what? Base pairs make a gene, and gene make what? Gene make the DNA, right. So now see, when we talk, so these are what? These are just equivalent to what? These are the base pair, and they make what? They make the genes. I told you earlier also, genes is what? Genes is a combination or a number of base pair, they together we call it as a gene. So now what is there? When we talk about the point mutation means when there is a change take place in a single gene or single base pair, right. When change take place in a single base pair of this chromosomal structure, you can say in DNA, so that time we call it as a point mutation. For example, if I am saying there is a change means change, maybe there is a deletion of any base pair, maybe there is a insertion of any base pair, maybe there is a duplication of any base pair. What is the meaning of insertion, deletion, duplication? Insertion, right, deletion and duplication, right? So it is the few terms that we are using for the mutation. For example, I am saying there is a insertion. So phrases like this means the Ram has a cap. Actually, I am just trying to tell you what is the meaning of this. These are the base pair. I am giving a few words for them. Right, R-A-M-H-A. So for example, there is an insertion of any base pair, right? So I am talking about what? I am talking about the point mutation. So in this case, what I am saying there is an insertion of any base pair. For example, if I am saying there is an insertion of what? There is an insertion of any one base pair in between this. So for example, that is what? So in this case, there is an insertion of this one of the base pair, that is R. So R is what? R is one of the base pair that is inserted over this DNA segment. So now see, the phrase is going to be disturbed. R-A-M-H-A-S, Ram has a what? So now there is a sequence is going to disturb. So same in the, for example, if I am going to just make it equivalent to any for any character, and that character is having this kind of gene, and there is a insertion of any base pair in that gene. So what happens? The phrase is going to be disturbed. It means that gene that is responsible for that phenotype is not going to express itself. So that is the meaning of insertion. Means there is a inserting of any base pair. Now if we talk about the deletion, so again, if I am going to just delete, there is a by mutation, by any circumstances, there is a deletion of any base pair. For example, over here there is a deletion of what? There is a deletion of this A. Right. So now there is a deletion of what? This A. So now the phrase and the genome that is required for that particular phenotype is going to disturb. R-A-M-H-A is deleted. So again there is what? There is a change in where? In the change is due to the point deletion. So this is the meaning of deletion. Right. Now if we talk about the duplication. Right. So duplication is what? For example, again there is what? There is a inserting of this one of the duplication, means there is a duplication of 2 gene. So again the phrase is going to be disturbed. Now there is what? There is no word like this C-double-A-P-P. This is not a cap spelling, right? So if this is a genome for any particular phenotype, that phenotype is again not going to express its character. So this is the meaning of point mutation. Now what is the meaning of frame shift mutation? Due to the insertion, deletion, duplication, if there is a change in whole frame. For example, if I am saying there is a what? There is a Ram has a, there is a inserting of what? How many? 3 base pair, and that is what? RED. Now see the over here, due to that insertion or maybe anything that deleted, so due to that, what is that? There is change. Change is what? Now if you see this, there is a RED, means now frame entirely changed. Ram has a red cap. So this is what? This is a frame shift mutation. Now the phenotype of related to that gene is now entirely different. Same with the deletion if we talk about. So now if the cap is going to CAP is going to delete it, now frame again shift. Ram has a red. What? The frame is shift, again change. So there is what? There is a when there is a change take place in a combination of genes, or you can say in a number of genes, so that we call as a frame shift mutation. Right. So this is all about what? This is all about your gene mutation. Now when we talk about the chromosomal mutation. As I told you, in chromosomal mutation, mutation is two types: when change in the structure or when change in the number. Right? When change in the structure means when the entire frame or segment of DNA, right? If this is the DNA segment, right, during the when there is exchange of the chromatids, during that time entire segment of DNA is going to be changed, right, or change in the meaning of that the structure of that segment of DNA will be changed. So that type of mutation is known as the chromosomal, where the changes take place in the chromosomes, and due to that, and chromosomes how it is changing, changes take place where in the structure of that chromosome. So that time we call it as a chromosomal mutation, right? When there is a change in number, right, it means the number, you know, if we talk about Earth, we are having how many base pair? We are having a 23 base pair. Out of 23, 22 is the same and last one is the different. When the changes take place in these numbers, right, so that time we call it as a mutation. So obviously when we are having a particular set of chromosomes number, and when it is going to be disturbed, obviously there are the certain abnormalities will come. Maybe it's beneficial, maybe it's not good for us. So that time there is changes. Due to that changes, certain abnormalities, certain diseases may also come. So that is the due to the where changes in the number. So that we call as a chromosomal mutation. Again, chromosomal mutation is two types: aneuploidy and polyploidy. Right. Now what is polyploidy? Polyploidy is again two types: autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. So there is two types of polyploidy. Now what is the difference between aneuploidy and polyploidy? Right. Listen, what happens carefully, you should listen it. What is that? When there is a there is a cell division, there are the four phases in the cell division that we call as a prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. When the prophase started, that time there is a division in what? There is a division in the nucleus that we call as a karyokinesis, right? And due to karyokinesis, there is the enlargement of the nucleus. Then nuclear membrane is going to be dissolved, then chromosomes is going to be decondensed. They come to the equatorial plate, and after that they move towards the pole, and gradually after that there is a constriction take place where in the cytoplasm or plasma membrane, and that we call as a cytokinesis, right? So karyokinesis is followed by cytokinesis, and due to that there is a division and formation of a two daughter cell from one parent cell, right? So when something happened during that time, right, maybe karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, or maybe during the when there is in the karyokinesis, when the prophase start, there is a decondensation, there is a crossing over take place during the meiosis, and during that meiosis karyokinesis, there is something happened, some changes take place. So due to that, there is a changes in the number of chromosomes, and that we call as a mutation in the numbers. So when the if there is we have a pair of chromosomes, and in that pair of chromosomes, if the number is going to be decrease or increase, means when there is a loss or gain of chromosomes number, or when you can say when there is a loss of or gain of chromosomes in a component or the comparing pair, so that time we call it as a aneuploidy, right? Aneuploidy is again come into what? There is a two type: monosomy and trisomy, right? What is the meaning of monosomy and trisomy? Monosomy means when there is a in the homologous chromosomes, when a pair is going to be absent, right? A pair of in homologous chromosomes, the pair of that homologous is absent. So that we call as a monosomy. And in trisomy there is an addition of another chromosome in a homologous pair. So that we call as a trisomy. Right, so this is a loss and gain of chromosomes in a chromosome pair. So that we call as a aneuploidy. It comes where into the aneuploidy. Another one is a polyploidy. Now what I have told you karyokinesis is followed by the cytokinesis. Simple meaning, when karyokinesis takes place, in that time cell division is coming up to the telophase, right? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, if you remember. And during telophase, chromosomes moves towards the pole and there is a constriction take place. If that stage is going to be failed, means cytokinesis doesn't take place. During that time, in that what happens, actually there is a duplication, means there is a chromosome number is going to be increased, right? There, because two daughter cell has to be formed, so due to that there is a double chromosomes number, or maybe there is a loss of chromosomes number. It means, simple meaning, after karyokinesis, during the cell division, if cytokinesis doesn't take place, that time there is a changes in the chromosomes number take place. A set of chromosomes is going to be increase or decrease or gain or loss. So that time we call it as a polyploidy, right? So polyploidy is again two type, autoploidy and allopolyploidy. Auto means when means, simple meaning, if we talk about the mitosis, right? In mitosis, when there is a formation of a daughter cell, the same type of chromosomes is going to be there is a chromosomes number, means, for example, if we talk about the amoeba, there is a formation of a daughter cell, right? So what happens from the amoeba, if you see this amoeba, right, daughter cell is like this way, right? So yeah, what happened over here? The karyokinesis take place in this nucleus only. Duplication of chromosomes or segregation of chromosomes, number of chromosomes is increased where in this, and the same type of chromosomes will come to here. Now when the karyokinesis take place and the cytokinesis doesn't take place, right? Simple meaning is like this. This is the chromosomes. When there is a metaphase, these chromosomes come to where? Come to the equatorial plate. I am just showing this a cell. Nuclear membrane is dissolved, right? And after that, what will happen? This is going towards the pole, right? Start to moving towards the pole, right? And after that, in telophase, there is what? Constriction take place in cytoplasm and there is a formation of a two daughter cell. So in case of polyploidy, this stage is going to be arrested. Means chromosomes number is going to be increased, but this cytokinesis doesn't take place. So what happens? Now here I am talking about amoeba, means simple mitosis take place. So when the daughter cell is formed, both the daughter cell, if it is formed, so both the daughter cell is having a chromosome number that is coming from a single parent. But when we talk about the meiosis, in meiosis there is a fusion, means there is a participation of a different type of chromosomes, or you can say different type of gamete. So on the basis of that, there is a two type of polyploidy, autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy, means when there is a increase or decrease of set of chromosomes number from the same kind of species, that we call as a autopolyploidy. And when there is a increase or decrease of set of chromosomes number from a two different type of species, that we call as a allopolyploidy. So children, today we discuss about simply mutation. Again, I am just giving a recapitulation of this. What is mutation? Sudden changes. Mutation is two type, that is gene mutation, chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation is two, structural and number changes. Then point mutation, frame shift mutation. How does it take place? That I have told you. And when you will go through this video, I hope you will get all the things very easily.